so are guests, and it's a great time to get your home clean and ready with items that also make great gift ideas for DIY enthusiasts in your life.
Friends of the show, home improvement legends Chip Wade and Kathryn Emery have 4 ideas, from decorating safely outside to cleaning efficiently, having the perfect coffee at home, and getting rid of bugs, but in a fun way.
Thanks so much for having us. Both Kathryn and I are super excited to be home for the holidays. Now, you may be like me and starting to think just about decorating, but some of us might already be a month in. I don't know.
Month? Let's go with months, my friend. I really put time and effort into decorating outside, and nothing can be more frustrating when in your cord connection, water gets in there, whether it's sprinklers, whether it's rain, whether it's snow, and the lights go out. So Twist and Seal, made in the USA product, was invented just for that.
That's right. This is intended to prevent electrical shock, keep your breakers from flipping, and you do that by putting the connection inside the Twist and Seal. That's heavy-duty plastic. It's a heavy-duty gasket that seals it, clips it tight all the way around. You're going to have a lot of confidence that no moisture is getting in there. Now, the Mini is made specifically for the holiday light connection. The larger cord protect for larger extension cords, and then the big boy, the cord dome.
I mean, you gotta love the cord dome. That's for multi-cords that can go in there. There might be multiple cord domes in my yard, but you know what? You want to keep the lights on all season long. You've got to decorate with Twist and Seal, and you can find this at most major retailers.
That's right. So we're done with the outside. Let's move inside, make cleaning a lot easier. This is the Dreamy X40 Ultra. This is a robotic vacuum and mop combo that literally does everything.
Dreamy is really a dream in my house. So let's just talk about its cleaning function. It's got this robo swing technology. It's going to grab hidden debris under places you wouldn't even think of cleaning. I love that extendable arm. It brushes those corners. Pet hair, no problem. The suction is so strong. One of my favorite things is this no tangle feature, because how many times have you had to rescue your robot? It actually cuts the tangle. It automatically knows to pivot between wet and dry messes. It adjusts between carpet and hard floors.
This thing even cleans itself. The mops go into the dock, it cleans the mop with water and then dries it with hot air. It keeps everything sanitized, it empties itself, it fills itself. This is a one-stop shop for cleaning.
Oh my gosh, so amazing. And right now there's a great deal, I think over $800 off, so make sure, look at the link below, and you gotta take advantage of not doing any work around your house. I feel like we've deserved a really good cup of coffee with all this non-work.
This is the Jura J8 Twin and the place to get the best cup of coffee. I have loved Jura coffee makers for years, and I think you've recently fallen in love as well.
Oh my goodness, talk about it. So my mother and I go to Italy every year. We both think this is on par, if not better, than a cappuccino in Italy.
That's right. Now, the Twin basically has 2 different bean containers and 2 separate grinders. That means you can have regular beans in one side, decaf in another, or 2 different beans on each side and custom blend them together for the perfect combination. This thing will even make 31 separate specialty drinks with just the push of a button.
It does so much. One of my favorite features that's exclusive to Jura is this sweet foam. So it's an extension where you can just add a couple drops into your foam. What a luxurious flavor. You get a cup of coffee that is not only good, it's fantastic. You just can't get it from those capsules and pods at home.
That's right. This is luxury in a box for sure. But let's move on for a little bit of fun around the house, especially during the holidays.
Absolutely.
This is called bug assault. I like to keep the doors open if possible, but the bugs get in, the flies, the roaches, everything else. And instead of using a fly swatter, the bug assault actually just uses table salt. It's got no batteries, and you're able to dispatch all those bugs while having a little bit of fun.
I love that. I love that. Amazon, it gets over 4.5 stars. You know, Amazon speaks. For me, I love not having that fly swatter with all those germs on it, and just so easy to clean, and just have some fun doing everyday tasks, right?
Whether or not you've been naughty or nice, you're going to get something good this year. Make sure to check us out at Be The Best.